In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload import subscriber contact list to Aweber. Once you are logged into your Aweber account and you are in the correct list, start by going to the subscribers area. This is where Aweber stores everyone on your email list, and it is also where you can add new contacts. From there, select Add Subscribers. This opens the options for adding people either one at a time or in a batch. Next, choose Import Multiple. This is the option you use when you already have a list of contacts saved in a file and you want to bring them into Aweber in one upload. Now upload your file. Aweber accepts common spreadsheet formats, including CSV, XLS, and XLSX. Before you upload, it helps to make sure your file is clean and organized. For example, keep column headers clear and place one subscriber per row. Then select your file and upload it. After the file is uploaded, you will map the subscriber fields. This means you match the columns from your spreadsheet to the correct fields in Aweber, such as name and email address. Take your time here because correct mapping ensures your subscribers are imported with the right information in the right place. Once the fields are mapped, add tags or group tags if you want to organize these subscribers. Tags help you segment your audience later, so you can send more targeted emails based on where contacts came from or what they are interested in. Next, review the confirmation settings. This is where you choose whether to enable or disable double opt-in for the imported subscribers. Double opt-in requires an extra confirmation step, while disabling it adds people directly based on your import settings. Choose the option that fits your compliance needs and how your list was collected. Then open More Options and describe how subscribers joined your list. Be accurate and specific, since this helps Aweber understand the source of your contacts and can support deliverability and account review processes. Finally, click Finish Import to start the import process. Aweber will process the file, and your subscribers will be added according to the settings you selected. That covers everything you need to know.